Today let's make another project on a year of craft from Crafter's Companion. Actually, let's go with the first card I have here, which called You Mean the World to Me. And let me see. Yeah, because the main project they have here has the step-by-step instruction. Let's make the other card they suggested to try after you make the main project. So let's make this one together. Alright, based on the picture I can see here and the instruction we have for the main project, we need a 6x6 card base, a ribbon, a green ribbon. I chose this one. We need this pattern paper, this star pattern paper, and green cardstock, this stamp set, the coordinating dies for the stamp set, and cream cardstock for stamping. So let's make it together. I can see here the card base has been covered with the green, light green cardstock. I'm going to cut a 6x6 layer for my card. Because my card base is 6x6, I'm going to cut the layer on top of the green cardstock to 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. Actually, I can see they cut it a little bit smaller to have more showing from green cardstock, but I like it this way more, so I'll do that. And so because I made this one 5 3/4, I'm going to cut my pattern paper to 5 1/2. So now we have to cut this one by 5 1/2 by 2 inch. We need to stamp this stamps on top of a cream cardstock with the color we chose. Here we have pink, and this part from the globe again to the cream cardstock with the color we chose. Here I think we have black, I'm not sure, but whatever we like. I might do it with dark green or blue even, we will see. And then we will and stamp this stamps here which says "You mean the world to me," and die cut everything out, and after that we will put our card together. Okay, for this die, you can see the shape is a little bit different. Here we have a bigger, I don't know, intention here, which coordinates with this part, and we have a pokey thing here, so with which can match with this part. So this way we can match the die with the stamp easily. Okay, for this one I wish I should have cut it first and then stamp it, but I do my best to die cut it. If it doesn't came out right, I will die cut it first and then stamp it again. And I will use my Gemini Midi to cut them out. I'm not sure, do we have a die for this stamp? Let me check that. Oh no, okay. It says stamp the sentiment onto the cream cardstock and fussy cut around it. So we need to fussy cut it. It's not as perfect as I like, so I probably will cut another one of this and stamp on top of the die cut, which I usually do. This one is perfect. For fussy cutting anything, you keep your scissor and rotate the cardstock to get the best result, and I'm not good at it because I don't like it at all. And actually you don't have to fussy cut it if you don't like. You probably can use one of the dies you have, or even one of the dies in this collection. Let me check and show you before I cut these extra pieces out. Yeah, you can use one of these circle, we only have circle dies. You can use one of the circle dies to cut this out, but I'm not sure. It looks better if you cut a rectangular piece of paper and stamp on top of that. if you don't want to fussy cut it. I just noticed this sentiment, you mean the world for to me, is for the main card they made here, and for this try me on is you make my world a better place. But I already stamped this one and fussy cut it, so I'm going to use this. You can use the other stamp, which is here. So let's put it together and finish it off. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.